Peruvian-style shrimp soup. Ingredients. Show products. 1 pound. Large shrimp, peeled and deveined, about 26-30 pieces. Half a teaspoon adobo with pepper. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 3/4 yellow onion, finely chopped, about 1 cup. 1½ teaspoon minced garlic or 3 cloves garlic, finely chopped. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon sofrito. 1 packet Sazón without annatto. 1 tablespoon. Finely chopped Rocoto Red Hot Pepper from 1 bag. 1 pound, frozen Rocoto Red Hot Peppers, thawed, or 2 teaspoons Rocoto Red Hot Pepper paste. Half a teaspoon Oregano Leaf, divided. 1 packet Chicken Bouillon mixed with 8 cups water. 1 cup Whole Kernel Corn from 1 bag. 1 pound, frozen Whole Kernel Corn, Choclo Desgranado, thawed. 1½ cups chopped, thawed yellow potato from 1 bag. 1 pound, frozen yellow potato, papa Amarilla. 1½ cups chopped, thawed Yuca from 1 bag. 1 pound, frozen Yuca, Cassava. 1/4 cup extra long grain rice. 1 cup peas, thawed. 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 1 tablespoon. Chopped fresh cilantro. Seasoned shrimp with adobo and set aside in refrigerator. Heat oil in large, heavy pot over medium-high heat. Add onions and garlic, cook, stirring often, until onions soften, about 10 minutes. Stir in tomato sauce, Sofrito, Sazón, Rocoto and 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Cook, stirring often, until tomato sauce begins to simmer, about 5 minutes. Add chicken bouillon mixture and whole kernel corn, bring to boil. Reduce heat to medium-low. Simmer for 30 minutes. Stir in potato, yuca and rice and simmer, stirring occasionally, until vegetables are tender and rice is tender, about 30 minutes. Adding peas after 25 minutes. Add reserved shrimp, cook until pink and opaque, about 3 minutes. Carefully break eggs into soup. Simmer, without stirring, until eggs poach in liquid and whites set, about 3 minutes. Gently stir in cream and cilantro and cook until stew is almost boiling. Serve very hot.